How to turn off swipe down on lock screen iPhone. If you're tired of accidentally swiping down on your iPhone's lock screen and opening the notification center or control center, I've got a quick fix for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off the swipe down feature on your iPhone's lock screen. So let's jump right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and head over to your settings app. Now scroll down and simply tap on Face ID and passcode. Depending on which model you have, simply enter your password to access this section. Now once you're in the passcode settings, scroll down until you see the Allow Access When Locked section. Yes, when you find it, here you'll see several options like Today View and Search, Notification Center, and Control Center options. Now that these options you have find it, simply turn it off if it's toggled on. Then simply try to swiping down from the top of the screen when your phone is locked. As now you will find that swiping down no longer opens the notification center or control center. It's completely disabled on the lock screen. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the swipe down feature on your iPhone's lock screen. No more accidental access to your notification or control settings.